Hi guys, Namaskaram. Welcome back to my channel Sri's Delight. We are doing keto recipes in my channel. So today we are going to see how to make keto version of Kashi Halwa. My channel, it started on Thursday. Before 1 year it was started on Thursday, and I had some blessings from Baba. So when I started the channel, the same day I got a message from the group, Sai Baba group, that I was selected as their top fan. So that was I felt as if it's a blessing for me. And today, unexpectedly, today is my 1 year completion of my YouTube, and today is Guru Purnima. So I feel so much blessed from Baba, and I am sure that my channel will success. This 1 year passed just like that, from baby steps to toddler steps. I'm here today, and I should thank each and every subscriber to believe in me and subscribing to my channel. And I should especially thank to those subscribers who were stuck with me from my baby steps until now. Thanks a lot for everyone's support, and please continue your support. I need lots of your support, and I want to reach my goal in the YouTube, and I want to give you lots of interesting recipes also. And today we'll see how to make Kashi Halwa in regarding of this first year baby celebration. We'll see what and all ingredients we need to make this keto version of Kashi Halwa. Here I have taken 4 cups of grated ash gourd, and here I have taken 2 cups of stevia, or any sweetener you use for keto, you can take it. Here, instead of our cashews, I have taken pistachios and chilonji seeds, and here I have taken 4 to 5 tablespoons of fresh cream, the heavy cream, and here I have taken some elaichis or cardamom, and here is our saffron, and here I have taken some ghee. Into a heavy bottom pan, I am taking some ghee. Just little bit is enough. So here I have taken 1 tablespoon of ghee. Let it melt. Once our ghee is melted, now we'll add our chilonji seeds. Once our chilonji seeds swollen up, now we'll add our pistachios. Just we'll give it a light toss. You will get nice aroma from this seeds. If you wish to add almonds, you can add, but today I am going to keep it with this, because this chilonji is also known as kadapa almonds. So almond will match. That's it. Now we'll remove it from the pan. Now into the same pan, I'm going to add our grated ash gourd. This is with water I have taken. Now into this grated ash gourd, I am going to add our cream into this. Here, instead of cream, you can even add paneer to this. So after adding our cream and mixing it well, you can see lots of water has oozed out, and it is mixed with the cream. Now we'll wait for this pumpkin, this ash gourd, to cook along with this water, and we'll close the lid and we'll wait for 5 minutes to cook. In the meanwhile, I'm going to crush this elachi to get the fresh flavor from this cardamom. I'm going to take nearly 4 cardamoms. Now all our water is evaporated completely. This time I will add our sweetener. After adding our sweetener, some water will ooze out. So that's common. So after adding our sweetener and mixing it well, you can see there's some water. I'm going to add our saffron in the same place, or else you can soak your saffron before itself. Usually they will soak it in milk. Now we'll wait for our water to get completely evaporated. Then we'll go into our next step. After adding our sweetener, you can see water is evaporated. Now at this time we'll add our freshly grinded cardamom to this. Give it a nice mix. Now at this time we'll add some ghee to this. After adding ghee, our halwa will develop its color. I have added 2.5 teaspoons of ghee into this. Now we are on the final stage. We'll add our chironji seeds and pistachios, and just I'm going to keep this aside for garnishing. I'm going to add this. Now we'll switch off the flame, and our keto version of Kashi Halwa is ready to enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel and support my growth. If you like this video of this Kashi Halwa in keto version, please do this recipe in your house and tell me how it came for you. Here is just a small announcement. Myself and my husband, we had almost did this keto diet for 50 days. So I don't want to exceed above that. As my doctor said, I should be in my keto diet for just 2 months is enough. So I'm going to stop my keto diet gradually, little by little. So it will take 1 more week to stop my keto diet completely. Then later I'll be doing normal recipes also. And this keto recipes I'll be doing it occasionally. Now tasting the recipe time. So here's my Kashi Halwa, that is keto version of Kashi Halwa. It's nice. Actually, in regular Kashi Halwa we don't use any milk or cream, but for this we had added the cream. That's why the color is a bit not equal to that regular Kashi Halwa, but the taste, it tastes absolutely equal to that original one. But here we had added some chironji seeds. It gives some extra flavor to this Kashi Halwa. Once our chironji seeds sweet once our yeah அப்பா சிரஞ்சீவின்னு வருதுப்பா எனக்கு. once our Chilonji sweet இப்போ வரதா ஸ்வீட்னா Chilonji sweet சீட்ஸ் தான் Chilonji seeds வருது, ஆக்ஷன் வர மாட்டேங்கிறது. once our Chilonji seeds swollen up, I think you can add this Kalonji